Alright, here we have a SinkBot Rebel. We're going to test this machine. It's a metric machine going out internationally. And I would like to cut a sink that the customer who's buying it is going to be running. So here's the sink. It has these little intrusions coming in to the center of it. So we're just going to do like a radius roundover. It's a 5mm radius, and then we'll spiral down to make the vertical cut. And also after it cuts the sink, it's going to come over here and do the faucet hole. So we're going to load the G code. The G code is right here. It's that one. And when it loads, it will show us the shape of the sink. So here's the shape of the sink. This is so it's going to cut the sink, and it's going to go counterclockwise. And then when it's done, it's going to come up here at the top and cut the faucet hole. Isometric drawing of it. You really can't see much because it's such a big profile. I'll try to zoom in. Yeah. There you can see a bit of the round over there, and then vertical. Now when this thing's cutting the vertical part of the stone, and let me try to scroll in. So right here, these are going to be the roundover lines. This dark green line is actually spiraling down, meaning it doesn't stop and start. It will spiral down like it's cutting a screw. So that's how that's going to work. So enough said, huh? Let's go ahead and we have the stone clamped to the machine, and we probably should close the splash shields. I will open them up so you can see what's going on, but until the bit hits the stone, it's going to throw water. Time to run. Right here. Hit the green button. Come up. Time is 32 minutes and 45 seconds. So let me move the machine and we'll take a look. So give me a second and I will rinse this off, dry it up, and I'll show what we have. Alright, we have it all dried off, and the results are what they are. Very good. The roundness and the smoothness is just, it's perfect. I mean, in the sense that it's every curvature is without bruising or without any dents. So now if you look close, we did put a 5mm radius in this thing, and I will try to, so that's a radius rounder. Maybe if I get on the end of this, you can kind of see it there. And this is what the grid pattern looks like. To me, to have it already, the transition line already set, you know, and it's on the money, would be helpful. I agree with people who have a lot of sinkholes to do per day. You know, keep it vertical and send it over to the polishers. But if you're not doing very many sinks, I mean, if you're doing 1-2 a day and this machine's sitting idle, send this thing and take out all these lines, which is a tremendous savings in time. The machine's sitting here, it's clamped to the stone, it knows where the sinkhole is, and so I haven't done a time study on how long the program would be, but I'm guessing it's going to be in that, you know, under 10 minutes. It's going to be probably 3 laps with a 100 grit drum, and it will actually make this thing look, I'm not going to say honed, but it will be, the scratch pattern you see will be minimal, meaning you'll start with a 200 pad. This is a SinkBot Rebel, made in America, designed in America by Edge-Made Stone Tools. If you have any questions, give us a call, contact us, and we would like to talk about it. So, thanks for watching.